In this video, we'll learn how to work the knit front back increase. The knit front back is a one stitch increase that takes one stitch and creates two from it. To create a knit front back, insert the right needle into the front loop of the stitch on the left needle from front to back. Create a new loop and pull it through the old loop the same way as if you were creating a knit stitch. But instead of removing the old stitch from the left needle, leave it on. We're going to work into the same stitch again. Insert the right needle into the back loop of the same stitch from front to back. Create a new loop and pull it through, and this time you can drop the old stitch from the left needle. You can see we've created two stitches from one stitch in the row below. Let's go over that twice more. Insert the right needle into the front loop of the stitch on the left needle from front to back and knit the front loop, leaving the old stitch on the left needle. Insert the right needle into the back loop of the same stitch and knit it, dropping the old stitch from the left needle. Let's go over that one more time. Knit into the next stitch and leave the old stitch on the left needle. Knit into the back of the same stitch and drop the old stitch from the left needle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like new tutorials delivered directly to your inbox, sign up for our newsletter at knit.tips/news.